morning. So today we're gonna DIY color my hair. Let's see if this blackish hair would turn at least a little bit brown. Just a little bit. I don't want it to go very wild, but let's see. So obviously I just got up. Hi Jem. Hello my Jem. And I'm gonna use this. I got it from Watson's. It's from Glamworks. And it's a permanent hair dye color. My mom will use it for her white hair. I've used this before, but on a different color, like light brown, I think. My friend at work used this. It showed some results where she had a bit of a color in her hair. Usually I buy 2, but since my hair is extra longer, I'm gonna use 4. Let's see if it would work. Hi, mother. First thing I'd like to do is to detangle my hair. So here's hair update. Too long. So I prepared the container so I could place this because it's gonna be 2 mix of thingies, and you get also disposable gloves on this. So I basically got 4 pairs of disposable gloves. Peel that. Okay, let's just do this. Open it. Turn. Oops. And the gloves is over here. Focusing, but oh well. So it has a colorant and a developer inside, and then you have to mix it later. It says I have to have my hair slightly wet, and I have to massage it from roots to tip until bubbles come out.
Avoid contact with eyes. Keep it on your hair for 20 to 45 minutes. Keep it longer in case of oily hair. Spray some water once again and rub your hair to make bubbles. Rinse it with water.
Let's see how it works. I'm gonna wet my hair and we'll start the thing.
Diba? Ano lang kaya? Diba? Great, so bright. So bright. Diamond.
So I prepared the packets, and I'm gonna cut one up first. I advise you put it all down first because it might overflow. So we get this, and it's gonna be like 2 openings like that. And then we're just gonna squish it out.
To be honest, I think 4 is a little excessive, but on just how my hair is so long right now, I think it's gonna be enough. Might be not enough too, so I'm just gonna cut this and we'll come back.
Just gonna go through them again. Nope, no more. Okay. So after that, what I like to do is get one of these gloves. It's a pair of gloves, so don't worry about your hands getting dirty. Okay, it's like the simple gloves, but they work perfectly fine.
It's to not get stained. It actually got stained already. So.
Open up.
Then this would be so embarrassing if I'm doing it the wrong way.
So there. It fits almost all hands probably. The instruction is not there.
Unpack that. Apply. Massager. Okay, nothing says about containers. But
I don't really know if this is how you're supposed to do it, but we're gonna do it my way anyway, since it's do it yourself. I should shut up. And what I like to do is I mix it here.
It's been over a year since I cut my hair, and I don't remember dyeing my hair after cutting it kind of short.
So we're gonna try to get my hair colored. I got a little spray bottle here because it says slightly wet. I did wet my hair, but like, I don't think that's enough. The hair might dry. Oh yeah, I have a little thing here. What do you call this? Pantali ng buhok. What I usually do is I take this huge section here, tie this part above, and then work on what I have over here. Split it in half, and then work on that halves. It might irritate your skin, so use a towel. Come on, let's use a towel. Not be stupid on this. Hopefully 4 packets is enough. First to ends. Maybe I should start on the ends. First thing I'd like to happen is that I cover every hair strand first and then I'll go over it. Okay, next side.
You could probably ask someone to help you. It's just that my mom is going, my brother's not gonna help me, and I don't expect my papa to help me with this.
Get another set of hair. Put it in a half again. So I got this top part, let's work on that. I'm trying to get more at the ends, because if it's going to turn out light, I need the ends to be light, not the roots. That's it. Okay, we're just going to use the rest of this. And then we're gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. Gonna get back. Okay, so far I've noticed that this is starting to turn a little bit caramelish color from like a yellowish, light yellowish color a while ago. So that's yep. So since I'm home and this is like a bed, I want to lie down, but if I lie down, the hair thingy will go to the wall or to the bed or to the sheets that aren't mine. So yeah. So far I think I'm seeing brown, like chocolate brown. It might turn lighter once I've what do you call this? Wash my hair. It's been over 30 minutes, I think. No, just around around 30 minutes. It says keep it longer in case of oily hair. Apparently my hair is not really oily because it's curly. I still have stains everywhere. Hopefully I could remove that later. Spray some water once again and rub your hair to make bubbles. Rinse it with water. Okay, I'm a little bit afraid for this part because it might be too light. I'm gonna rinse my hair and then maybe dry it off with my dryer diffuser. Okay, first off, when I was rinsing the hair, it's like you're seeing caramel flowing. Because maybe because this is colored caramel, but yeah, I don't know if you can see, but I put a little too much on this tip, and it's a little bit lighter compared to this one. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna dry my hair, and we'll see how it went. So what I'm going to use is a dryer with a diffuser on it. Okay, it won't fit in, but we're gonna try. I'm just gonna hold it up. We'll put a little oil for now, just for the sake of styling. And some of my curling cream. Oops, nope, too much. Unsanitary, but oh well. Now that my hair is slightly dry, I can see that it did change color. For the most part, like it changed it to brown. I don't know if it would be visible enough, but I went a little too far on this. It's so light right now, especially this side. I'm gonna try to dry it off now that it has some styling products, and let's see. Okay, so we're back on this situation here. I don't think you could actually see it on my current lighting.
I think it went a little bit darker outside because it's a bit of a rainy season here. Ngayon, now.
Okay, this part here, I went over it because it's part that will show. Now it's too light and caramelish, but if I put this a little bit down, it won't be that bad. I have another part like that. It's over here, so this part's gonna show when I have my hair up. So I might buy like a darker one, or maybe just let it stay like that and hope it doesn't get too much. And also there's a part down here that's, can you see that? It's a little lighter than the others. All in all, it does work. It is brownish in person. I might do a retouch on this one, so I might do another 4 packs just to make sure it does color my hair properly. Verdict is that it does work too well. Just have to make sure you apply evenly. See this part, I'll probably have to redo the back side. Maybe buy 2 packs or 3 more. But that's still okay, because if I get it done at the salon, it's gonna be like around $20 or more, because I have curly hair. I might really buy like a darker shade and just use it for this one, and then redo the back side. Hey. So that's that for the video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because I post new videos. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every Saturday. So sometimes when I have something more to share with you, and that's that for now. Bye!